Hey Joanna, I hear you got a new part-time job. Where are you working?
Hi Hector. Yes, I working at bakery downtown. It's cool. It's me that likes. How about you?
That sounds nice. Work a clothing store in the mall. It's called Fashion Spot.
Cool. What do you do there?
I am a selling assistant. I help customers find clothes, fold items, and organize they display. It a little tiring sometimes, but it like it. What about you? What are you duties and they workery?
Hi, where behind the counter I sell breads, cakes, and cookies. I also take goods to mail orders and keep the front air I clean. It smells the I may think every day.
And that must be nice. Do you work every day?
No, I don't. Work from Thursday to Sunday from 7 to 1 p.m. It is an early shift. How about you? When do you work?
I usually work on weekdays from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. After school, I do work on weekends.
That's a good scandal. Is your job fun?
Yes, it is. I like talking to customers and helping them, but sometimes it gets stressful. It's busy. Is your hard difficult?
Not reality is most of the time, but it can be boring when there aren't many customers.
Uh, I get that. So how am I? And do you make
I earn cents sold an hour. What about you?
uh, I earn 12 euros, but I don't work as many hours as you, so I think we are about the same overall.
That makes sense. Well, I glad we both found jobs we like.
Me too, bye.
Goodbye.